Okay, so this is a very quick Myfitnesspal tutorial regarding using the scanner, and it's actually changed in recent times. So the way you use the scanner on Myfitnesspal is simply, depending which phone you're on, this is an Android. There's a big blue X button at the bottom, a cross at the bottom. So hit the cross button, and you'll select food. Then you pick which meal you're going to be choosing. So let's pick snack one. And in the top, under my foods, there's like a barcode with a box around the edges. Hit that button there, and then this comes up. All you do then is slide the barcode into the box. It'll think about it for a second, and then it'll give you the all the foods. So one thing to be mindful of on this one is that check the back of the can or the packet to say how many portions or servings there are in this meal. So for this particular one was just a tin of tomatoes, and it's actually 2 servings per size, okay, at 200 grams each. So if I look at this, I can see there's 1 serving equals 200 grams, which is actually correct. Once I've established that, hit the big tick at the top right hand corner, and that will then add it into my diary. So I've got this set up in such a way that I can add multiple items at once. I'm not going to do that for this one. I'm going to hit the tick again, and it's going to take me and it's put that information into snack one, and that is how you use the scanner. So simply recap: use the scanner, but make sure the portion size is correct. If you're not sure what the portion size is, read the back, and then obviously weigh the actual item itself to get an accurate understanding of what that is. I hope that makes sense. If you've got any problems, let me know, and I can elaborate on this video.